Namaskar. Greetings from the Department of Pharmacology, AIIMS Bibinagar, Hyderabad. I am Dr. Madhavi, presently heading the Department of Pharmacology. Our department started functioning from the month of November 2020 with the joining of 4 regular faculty. We are the founding faculty of pharmacology. We are involved in teaching, research, and extracurricular activities. Our first batch of MBBS students entered the department in the month of December 2020. We are training the students both in theoretical and practical aspects. Especially, we are focusing on the principles of rational use of medicines, which is the most important facet of any practicing physician later on. We are using smart display boards for teaching so as to make the lectures more interactive and for better understanding. Further, the practical training is through real-life mannequins and simulated computer-assisted learning software. We are also encouraging the students to participate in academic competitive activities such as poster competition, quiz competition, and debates, and also encouraged to do seminars.
Myself, Dr. Devashish Bisoi. I am the coordinator of Adverse Drug Reaction Monitoring Center and Medical Device Adverse Event Monitoring Center at AIIMS Bibinagar. Our department got recognition for the 2 centers from the Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission within a very short period of time. And with the inauguration of these 2 centers, we have organized workshop on pharmacovigilance for doctors, residents, and nursing officers. We celebrated National Pharmacovigilance Week from 17th to 23rd September to spread the awareness regarding drug safety among healthcare professionals. So our department is constantly engaged to spread the awareness among public and healthcare professionals regarding drug safety.
Hi, myself Dr. Gerard. In line with the vision and mission of AIIMS, we have already started to reinforce the importance of medical research. Accordingly, we had organized a one-day workshop on good clinical practice recently. We are part of many intramural and extramural funded research projects. We have published books and articles in reputed journals and publishers in less than a year. At this moment, I would like to place on record that we are part of multinational and globally acclaimed clinical trials, namely the ICMR DNDi sponsored IND Anticov trial and the India-UK recovery trial.
Hi everyone, I am Dr. Rekha. Besides teaching and research, our faculty are also actively involved in delivering guest lectures in conferences and symposia. We are also very much glad to inform that our faculty have received many laurels, awards, prizes. To name a few, Best Research Prize winner and Dr. Peters Light Memorial Award, prize in poster competition. Our faculty are also involved in extracurricular activities like we had enacted an original role play in the YouTube video titled Awareness on Medication Use During COVID-19 as a part of Janandal campaign, which was well received by the general public. Our faculty are also part of other community outreach activities such as the educating the public on handling leftover medication and in awareness skit on the occasion of World Sepsis Day.
We are delighted to share that we have successfully completed the PG assessment and awaiting to see the new postgraduates to join from the January 2022 academic session. And we are planning to establish clinical trial unit and to render the patient care services by setting up of therapeutic drug monitoring unit, pharmacogenomic lab and medication safety center. With the continuous support of our esteemed director sir, our administration, the Department of Pharmacology is all set to become the best of its kind in all aspects of teaching, research and patient care services. Thank you.